diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.
Hey guys, so I wanted to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, do my makeup, because I haven't done like a makeup video in a long time and I haven't really like just chatted to the camera, so I wanted to do that. So I have contact lenses in, and literally this is the first time I've used contact lenses, so if my eyes get a little bit watery, they look a bit red, that's the reason why. So these contact lenses were sent to me by a company called Iris Beauty. I got this in, what shade did I get this in? This is in the shade Amber Brown. Amber Brown? Yeah, Amber Brown, and it's like a nice greeny shade, and I thought I would try this out as a first colour, and I'm really feeling it. I thought, I was a bit sceptical at first, but I thought I want to try some contact lenses because I feel like it'll make my makeup videos look a bit more interesting and not so samey, and I really like them. I'm definitely going to get some more. So they told me that there's like a promotion thing going on where they're currently doing 30% off the site, but they said that you can get an extra 15% off with this discount code. So the discount code is Amy45. So I'll probably leave it on the screen for you guys, and leave it in the links down below, and link the colour of my contact lenses down below as well for you guys if you guys are interested, and the promo code and stuff like that, because obviously you can save some coins. So why is it now that I'm recording you want to walk around, Tina? So my dog is like acting really weird today. So they sent me an eyebrow pencil and these magnetic lashes, and I was going to try the magnetic lashes out because obviously I've never tried them out before, and I thought, you know, I'm going to do it for you guys because some of you might be interested. But as I was trying to apply it, like I was testing out yesterday, now I dropped one of them somewhere and I don't know where I've dropped it, so I'm like annoyed about that. So like it comes in this little cute packaging here, and then you have like all these magnetic lashes, and I dropped one. I don't know where I've dropped it, and I need to find that. Literally irritating, but oh well. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face first, because I've washed my face and I've toned it and stuff, but I haven't like moisturized. And what I like to use to moisturize my skin is the Simple Protecting Lights moisturizer, and it has SPF 15 in it. I always like to use a moisturizer that has some sort of screen protectant. Is it sunscreen protectant? Some sunscreen in it, because I think it's good to always use sunscreen daily because it minimizes dark marks and all that jazz. And I've already applied lashes. I applied some lashes that I'm going to be selling in a few months time, or I don't know how soon I'm going to do it, but these are some of the lashes I'm going to be selling. Let me know if you like the way that they look, or like if there's any particular styles you like. And these are like 3D mink lashes, but they are going to be very affordable, so you don't need to worry. I've been using this primer lately. It's by L'Oreal, and it's an infallible mattifying primer, and I've been wearing it normally when I go to work. And obviously I work in a cafe, so I'm like sweating because I'm like making like lots of coffee, heating up food and stuff, and I find that my makeup does last quite well during the day when I'm working, so I like that. So I'm going to be taking this brow pencil. It's a perfecting eyebrow brush, and it comes with like a spoolie and the pencil, so it's like double-ended. I'll link it down below to what colour I use and all that jazz, because I can't seem to see where the colour is. And lately I've been trying to like do like really light brows, not like heavily fill them in, because I kind of like the way it looks when it's like very natural looking. And I do like this one because it's like a roll-up one, so you don't have to like keep sharpening it. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Beautifully Bronzed, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. My Fenty Beauty foundation, because I just love the way that this looks. So I'm gonna give it a shake. I'm in the shade 450, if I'm correct. Yeah, 450. It feels so weird talking to the camera. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in such a long time, or like a makeup video. It's not really a tutorial. the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. They finally had darker shades in my Superdrug store, so I got that because I've been wanting it so much because everyone always talks about it. And then I saw other people in America doing videos on it, but they hadn't brought it out here like darker shades, but I finally found one. I'm going to be taking my damp beauty blender to blend this all out. I really like this concealer. And I don't even feel like I need to set it. It's more matte than I thought it was. So I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going to be using, it's my Laura Mercier setting powder, but there's like another powder mixed in there because it was running out, so. My contour powder, and this is the LA Girl Pro face powder, and I think it's either Cocoa or Dark Cocoa, I can't remember which one it is. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette because I haven't used it in a while and I felt like using it. I'm going to do something really simple. I'm going to first of all I'm going to go back to my contour palette, contour shade palette, whatever it is. And I'm just going to use that as like my transition shade. I'm now going to go in with the shade Henna, and I'm going to put it just below where I put my transition shade. The camera cut out when I said it, but I'm basically using the shade Dubai, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And then now I'm just going to take the shade Blessed, which is this shade here, and I'm going to put that more in the front part of my eye. I might use a smaller brush though. I like this, it's like really simple. I wanted to do some gold because I felt like the gold would like complement the what's it called, the contact lenses. I'm just going to set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime, and then I'm just going to put some gloss on because I'm feeling for some gloss because I love gloss. This is this one by Kiko, it's in the shade 01. Lush. I've almost finished it, can you imagine? Well, I can imagine because I use it like every single day. So I'm gonna take the Black Up times Jenny Jenkins eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette in palette number 2. I really like this palette because it's super pigmented. Like I just got it because it looked nice. I didn't expect it to be really pigmented because I've never had anything from Black Up, but it's really pigmented. I'm just gonna mix these two here. yeah, I think this is it for the look, guys. I love spraying my face. I love spraying the setting spray because it doesn't make it look cakey. But yeah, I think this is kind of like a nice, glowy, simple glam makeup tutorial. That's what it is. I don't even know what to call this. I'll figure out a name at the end of this. But yeah, I really hope you liked this makeup look. Obviously, if you're interested in these contact lenses and you like the way they look, there's going to be some links down below to the exact contact lenses I have and their website. And obviously, I'm going to have my discount code down below, which is Amy45, so that you can get 45% off the whole site and, you know, save some coins. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. Bye guys.